I slightly modified it to make this design compatible with PCBs. This is the main panel. It has the control board and an extra bottom plate. And here is the interesting part of this project. This is not a flexible PCB. Since it's 0.4 mm, even the FR4 material is flexing a lot. This is a 2-layer 0.4 mm board. This section has a copper test on the top and bottom, while this section doesn't have any copper. Let's see if it snaps or bends. That's relatively a tight bend, still it's not snapping. And this is the section without copper. Interesting. Let's snap it anyway. Copper section has not snapped completely, it's still connected, but the plain section has completely snapped off. But for our use case, we won't be bending it that hard, so it should be fine. Let's start with the assembly process now. Each jellyfish requires one controller panel and 5 pieces of legs. And here our boards are ready. First we will solder these headers onto the main board. We won't need the plastic. We just need those metal pins. While soldering these legs, you have to make sure that you start with the left side first, since the right side has an extra LED. Before moving with the final part, let's check if these LEDs are actually working. So for that, I have now uploaded the WLED firmware to this ESP32S3. Let's connect power and check it. I have configured these as 3 segments. Now we have confirmed that the LEDs are working perfectly. Let's move on to the final part. Here's the tricky part. We have to solder this bottom plate to all of the middle segments. Here you can see that the pads align perfectly. You have to solder both the top side and the bottom side. After soldering the bottom pads, we have to repeat the same for the top pads here. While it's not electrically required, it is better to solder them for mechanical stability. Look what we have here. These are actual flexible PCBs. We'll be using this as the tentacles for the jellyfish.